Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. I have the Robust Scrub. And so this is a telescoping handle scrubbing spinning head brush. And I'm just gonna rip open the box because that's how I roll. Okay, so we're gonna show you guys what's in here. The box is empty. And so this is what you get. I've had some of these before, so I know how they work. So we have this is going to be the spinning device here where it contains the battery and the switch and everything like that. And we will attach our handle to it here. And so it's good because you can have a nice short handle if you want to, or you have the ability to telescoping handle like that. Okay, and then up here we have a little button so we can rotate this. Let's see how I do this way, so you can have it straight if you're trying to connect to something, or you can have it angled like we had it initially. So I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So these are the heads. You get 1, 3, what is this? 3 heads and a screw thingy. Not sure what that's for. Okay, but if we have one of these heads, let's just say this one here is good for, I'll just put it on here for a second and show you guys. So what this one would be good for is for getting like in the corners of stuff. So if, let's say, here's the button to turn it on. You see we've got this going, it spins, and then we have it off. So if I was to try to get like in the corners of the sink, if I wanted to get in there, something like that, I could just go like that, go around it that way, and it would do the sink. But I have that one. I have this one here, which would be good for doing like the floors. Like, so if I were to do the floors, I would probably go that way. And then I can go like, try to clean the grout lines and stuff like that if I'm going along on the floor. So these grout lines are already clean, don't need it today. It's new floor. And then we have this round one here they all have the same kind of stiff bristles. It's kind of like pool brush bristles if you've done one of those before. So, and this one here would be good for maybe like if you want to, clean up at the top, get some cobwebs or something like that. I don't know really. But if you wanted to do stuff like that, you could do that. Or just, cleaning just general stuff around the edges of things like that. This is really good for like getting in the shower and getting around the grout in the shower. You can do all the corners of the shower, which nobody ever seems to be able to clean the little edges and corners. So definitely good for that. So I've used these spin brushes before, and this one here seems nice and good. And you gotta push the button. I'm guessing the color probably tells you how much power you have. So if it's green, I think that was green, it means it's full up. I'm colorblind. And then it changes the color as it loses its power. And when it does lose its power, you're able to charge it with a USB plug. So as long as you have a traditional USB plug somewhere, you can do it with USB-C. Let's see where that will charge. Not sure where it's gonna connect up into this thing. Let's see if we can figure it out here. It probably has it in the instructions. But I'll show y'all too, in case somebody already got this one and doesn't know where it goes. Oh no, it's in Chinese. Oh, here we go. Charging port is on the back. It's on the back of this. Maybe it's on the back of this. Aha, look at that. The secret compartment, that's where it's at. So if you're looking for the charging port, that's where it's gonna be. And so I guess what it does is it also gives you the ability, that's what this little screw in here is. So if you just wanna be doing handheld things, you can do it that way. And you have a little, holder here. You can hang it up or whatever. So I guess that's what that little screw part is for as well. So cool little device. Nice to have a little scrubber. And I'd say it's good. Thumbs up for me.